Good morning, students. Now I am going to discuss the next topic in redox reactions chapter, that is oxidation and reduction. Oxidation means already we have got these two definitions in class 10 chemistry, where the definitions for oxidation is what? Addition of oxygens, removal of hydrogens. The definition for reduction is what? Addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygens. These two are old definitions. Along with them, two new definitions are there. They are regarding for oxidation. If oxidation state increases, that means increasing oxidation state is also called oxidation. And loss of electrons, that means if your substance loses electrons, that is also called oxidation. So these are new definitions. So four definitions should be remembered. So what are those four definitions? Addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen, increasing oxidation state or oxidation number, loss of electrons. These are four definitions for oxidation. Similarly, there are four definitions for reduction. These are exactly opposite to oxidation. They are here addition of oxygen, here addition of hydrogen, here removal of hydrogen, here removal of oxygen, here increasing oxidation state, but here decreasing oxidation state, here loss of electrons, here gain of electrons. Don't forget, both definitions should be remembered. Don't get confusion. Next, one more definition, that is oxidizing agent. One more name for that is oxidant. Oxidizing agent or oxidant. So what is the definition? The substance which involves in reduction. So this is the simple technique. Suppose if a substance involved in reduction, that substance is called, if a substance involved in reduction reaction, that is called oxidant or oxidizing agent. Oxidized substance, that is different, that is again different. Here I am talking about oxidizing agent. One more name is what? Oxidant. What is oxidant? If a substance involves in reduction, that is called oxidant, that's it. Then what about reducing agent or reductant? If a substance involves in oxidation, that is called reductant or reducing agent. See, that is the next definition. See here. What is the definition? The substance which involves in oxidation process is called what? Reducing agent or reductant. Now, oxidized substance. Oxidized substance means the substance which increases oxidation state. The substance which increases its oxidation state, not other substance oxidation state. The substance which increases its oxidation state is called oxidized substance. Then what about reduced substance? The substance which decreases its oxidation state is called reduced substance. The substance which decreases its oxidation state is called reduced substance. Suppose if a substance increases its oxidation state, that is called oxidized. If it reduces its oxidation state, that is called, if it decreases its oxidation state, that is called reduced substance. If you see the example, then you get clear idea about each and everything. I will discuss that example. See here. H2 plus Cl2 gives rise to 2HCl. Here H2 and Cl2 are reactants. HCl is the product. You know that very well. H2, this is standard state, nothing but elemental state. This is Cl2, this is also standard state, nothing but elemental state. Now, what is the oxidation state of hydrogen in H2? 0, because that is in elemental state. Then what about the oxidation state of chlorine? Here also oxidation state for chlorine is 0, because that is also present in elemental state. So both substances which are present in reactants, their oxidation state is how much? 0, because they are in elemental state. Now come to HCl. HCl, hydrogen chloride. What is the oxidation state of hydrogen? +1. If it exhibits plus 1, automatically it will exhibit minus 1, because this is neutral substance. Plus 1 plus minus 1, both will be, sum will be 0. Now see, from this hydrogen to this hydrogen, what happened? Here oxidation state of hydrogen is so much? 0. But here plus 1. That means oxidation state increases from hydrogen to this hydrogen. That means this is called what? Oxidation. Because that is one of the definition, which is, if oxidation state increases, that is called oxidation, increased oxidation state. If oxidation state decreases, that is from 0 to minus 1. If oxidation state decreases from 0 to minus 1, that is reduction. That, because that is one of the definition for reduction. Decreasing oxidation state is called what? Reduction. Now there are some more points. What are they? What is oxidant? What is reductant? What is oxidizer substance? What is reducer substance? We have to find them. See, oxidant, one more name for that is what? Oxidizing agent. What is oxidant? Here oxidant is, what is oxidant? If a substance involves in reduction, that is called oxidizing agent. So what substance involved in reduction? This chlorine involved. So Cl2 is oxidizing agent. Then what about reductant? One more name for that is what? Reducing agent. Reducing agent is what? What is reducing agent? The substance which involves in oxidation, that is called reducing agent. See, this is oxidation reaction. In this oxidation which involves H2. So that is called what? Reductant or reducing agent. Reductant or reducing agent. Next, what is oxidized substance? Oxidized substance. Oxidized substance. What is oxidized substance? What I told, if a substance increases its oxidation state, if a substance increases its oxidation state, that is called oxidized substance. See, here in case of hydrogen, here oxidation state is 0, here oxidation state is plus 1. That means oxidation state increases. So what happened? When it reacts with chlorine, it loses electrons. So hydrogen exhibits from 0 to plus 1. That can be considered as oxidized substance, that is H2. Then what about reduced substance? Reduced substance. This is, what is the definition for reduced substance? If a substance decreases its oxidation state, decreases. That means here 0 to minus 1, that is oxidation state decreases. So that is reduced substance. So here one shortcut is there. Oxidation substance, oxidized substance involves in oxidation reaction. Reduced substance involves in reduction reaction. We can say one more point, that is what? Oxidant will be equal to, oxidant would be equal to reductant, reduced substance. Oxidant would be equal to reduced substance, and reductant would be equal to oxidized substance. So reductant or reducing agent or oxidized substance, both are, all are same. Oxidant or oxidizing agent or reduced substance, all are same. So oxidant means the substance which involves in reduction. Reduced substance means the substance which also involves in reduction. Reductant means the substance which involves in oxidation. Oxidized substance means the substance which also involves in oxidation. Don't get confusion. Watch this video 2 times 3 times, then only you will get a clear idea about this one. Next one, redox reaction. What is redox reaction? The reaction in which both oxidation and reduction takes place is simultaneously is called redox reaction. No need to mention about this point simultaneously. So what is the definition? Reduction means the reaction in which both oxidation and reaction takes place. That is called what? Redox reaction. See, H2 plus Cl2 gives rise to 2HCl. In this reaction, just now we discussed this example. Hydrogen undergoes oxidation, chlorine undergoes reduction. That means both oxidation and reduction present in this reaction. So this can be considered as, this reaction can be considered as what? Redox reaction. This is what? A redox reaction. This is all about oxidation, reduction and redox reactions. Thank you.